accounting funded, learning made easier, celebrating lecture, learning made easier.
Introducing your celebrity lecturer on Accounting Pandit, making learning easy for you. You can become an accountant without going through school, and you will succeed in your financial accounting or business career. Heads up, this page is not limited to students and business individuals alone. You find out that everyone needs accounting. Too good to be true? Take action now by following this page.
Accounting Pandit, learning made easier.
Yes, you are welcome to this second segment of the financial accounting pundit on this financial accounting pundit platform. We're looking at today accounting pundit. So we are looking at today is 001E. That is still an introduction. Then we'll be looking at users of accounting information, accounting information, that's and career opportunities. Opportunities in financial accounting. Financial accounting. These are the two things we are going to look at. So the next one we'll be looking at, I think, still an introduction. So the last one should be the importance of financial accounting and the history. Then we'll conclude the introduction and move to other ones. We are heading to calculation, but you must understand this foundation before we get to calculation. Calculation is simple. It's simple. Just plus and minus and ratio, percentage, everything. That's simple business mathematics. So let's move on. So we are going to be looking at users of accounting information. Now we are preparing as accountants, we are preparing this accounts. You are prepared it and that. There are people that you're preparing it to. Yes. You're preparing it for people to see. Who are those people? You say these people can be classified into two. We have number one, we have internal users. Number two, we have external users. External users. Have the internal users and the external users. Now, the internal users are people who make use of this financial information within the organization. People who make use of this financial information, the accounting statement within the organization. So we see them as the internal users. So the internal users users. We have we have owners, the owners of the business. Then number two, we have the employees. The employees. Number number three, we have the management. Number four, we have the accounting and finance department. Number five, we have the internal auditors. The internal auditors. These are the internal users of accounting information. Then let's look at the owners. Why do the owners need this financial information? They need to monitor the financial progress of their organization. The owners could be the shareholders, could be the trader himself, the employers. Employers could be categorized or grouped as the owners of this business. So the owners of this business, of this organization, of this big sophisticated company would want to know if the organization is making progress financially. So they want to look at, I have to show them their balance sheet to see the financial position of that organization at every point in time. So they have to know. Another one is the employees. The employees are the workers in the organization, the workers that engage in that business. So their rewards is salary or wages. So they have to know the profitability of this business. They have to also know their job security, because if the finance of that business is not improving, so their job is at stake. So they have to know. Another one, they have to know if their wages will be paid on time and their work conditions. If the demand for work condition, if the organization will do something about it to improve their work conditions. So they must know requests for this financial or accounting information or accounting statement for the business. So another one is the management. The management runs the organization. They are the ones that know about the day-to-day activities of that organization. So they need this financial information to plan and control the finance of that organization, to understand the financial health of that organization. So they must, from time to time, ask for financial information. So they must understand the financial health of these organizations. So that is for management. So another one is accounting and finance department. The accounting and finance department, they are departments that are in charge of paying workers' salary, making all the payments, disbursements, and they also receive money from within and outside the organization. So they also need this financial information. Maybe their predecessors, people that were there before the ones that are operating currently. So they must look at those previous ones, financial document, and look at how it was managed, and to make sure they are following the they are in line with the internal policies and regulations of the organization. So they must, be in compliance with those internal regulations and policies. So that is for accounting and finance department. Now we have the internal auditors. There are people that review. The internal auditors are individuals that review the accounting records. So oftentimes they will ask this department to bring what they have, so they will look at it and to ensure that the organization is in compliance with the department, the finance department are in compliance with the internal policies, financial policies and regulations of that establishment, of that organization. So they must follow those rules. So these internal auditors make sure that there is accuracy in the accounting preparation and all that. So oftentimes over time they look at all those things to ensure compliance with the internal policies and regulations of the organization. So that's the work of the internal auditors. Now we are going to look at the external users. The external users, we have the creditors. We have the tax authority, tax authorities. We have loan creditors. We have we have the loan creditors. We have number 4. We have the government and government agencies. Then we have number 5. We have the public. So number 1, we have the creditors. The creditors are people that supply goods to a business on credit. They are suppliers of goods on credit. So they need this financial information or financial statement of that organization to understand the organization creditworthiness and the ability to pay for goods supplied on credit. That is the creditors. Then we have the tax authorities. The tax authorities also need this financial information of the business. They need this financial information of a business to understand the taxable profit, not all profit that is taxable. So they will read the organization financial information or financial statement to ascertain the taxable profit. So that's for tax authority. Then we have the loan creditors. The loan creditors are the people that lend to a business, people that lend, that borrow money to the business. I try as much as I can to use lighter words, things that we can understand. So people that borrow money, the organization that borrow money to a business, we see them as loan creditors. It could be any of these financial institutions like the microfinance bank, the commercial bank, and the rest of them. So that could be the loan creditors. No, now that is for loan creditors. Then another one is government and government agencies. The government needs this financial statement to carry out statistics, a number of organizations, businesses that operate within the organization and their income and profits that is being generated within the society. So government must know, and also to formulate policies regarding business operations in that society. So that is for government and government agencies. Another one is the public. The public needs these the public could be you and I, we need this financial information to understand the employment and economic consideration of the business that operate within our area, within the society. So we need those employment and economic considerations staff, and to also consider if they are capable, they have the ability to pay wages or salaries. So the public will also demand for corporate social responsibility from that organization to make sure the people benefit from maybe building hospital, giving them good roads, giving them water, good water, and all that. So they will demand for all these things, looking at the financial statement, looking at that the organization is making money in that. So the organization owe them that social responsibility.